Hey everybody, let me share something with you. If you have a gravel driveway and you need to lift your vehicle up, I use scissor jacks and stuff. And I also have a bigger, older floor jack, but it was giving me issues. So I got a newer one. Anyways, you see folks using plywood or something like that, but I got me some 2 by 12s. I got a 2 by 12 by 8 and I cut it in half. So I got two sections that are 4 feet long. I slide them under the vehicle, and that way my floor jack can roll and it won't get rocks and stuff in the wheels and everything, and it works fine. The the wood is thick enough where it won't crack that much and everything. This is an F-150, so it's fairly strong and sturdy. So this is what I use. Not telling you what to use. This is how I do it. I just want to show you this, and it rolls, and the boards, they store out of the way. They stand up out the way, and you're done. So next time you gotta use your floor jack on gravel, or you find yourself in that situation, I just go ahead and just throw down a 2 by 12s, and it rolls fine. And when I jack my stuff up, I do not use uh, jack stands a lot. I like to use blocks, wooden blocks. But anyways, this is one-handed operation, and it lifts this F-150 up. And like I said, the floor jack will roll and everything, and you don't have any issues. And the boards are wide enough so that even if the jack gets squirrely or spins a little bit or turns or adjusts, you still have firm footing. So this is how I do it, and it works for me. So I got my new floor jack, and like I said, I use blocks. I don't use jack stands a lot. I trust the blocks because that wood is not going anywhere. But that's just me. So I just want to share this with you. Floor jack over gravel, no issues. Your jack stays nice and clean. It doesn't bog down in the dirt or the mud, and it works pretty good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.